emotional well-being and how I handle stress. How about relate to others and how to make choice. When our mental health is strong, we manage challenge better, stay positive, enjoy life. But it's not my mental is down, feel sad, anxious, so tired. It just might be our support daily activity. Amy.
Okay, that's really nice for your answer. And I think a lot of people, especially students, sometimes feel stressed or anxious, but don't realize it's connected to their mental health.
Actually, many young people feel pressure from the school, family, friends, or even social media sometimes. The main thing we have to perfect all time, but not realistic. Everyone struggle. Sometimes it's okay to daily activity.
Okay, right. I noticed that too. Some people feel embarrassed to or afraid to talk about their feelings. Why do you think that happens? What do you think that happens? I'm sorry.
That great opinions make people grow up hearing things like don't cry, being strong, or just even over it. But message can make people believe that showing emotional is weak. But actually, it's my opposite. Talking out to feel takes courage. It's brave to say, I'm not okay right now. When we share our feeling, we open door to support and healing. For the example we talk about with your friends, I think this is reduce mental health.
Okay, that's so true. I think we all need to hear that. Could you share some signs that someone may be struggling with their mental health? And maybe since we can notice it ourselves,
they busy on the work, on the study, or something else. Practice gratitude. They writing a good thing each day, even small ones.
Okay, those are such good ideas. And I especially like the part about gratitude. Even trying writing down what I'm thankful for, and I really changed my mood.
Actually, it helps our brain focus on what's good instead of what missing. It doesn't mean ignoring your problem, but it helps see life positive moment too.
Okay, that's beautiful. And before we end this evening, what message would you like to leave our listeners with?
I don't like to say this, but I see mental health is just as important as physical health. If you break a bone, you got a doctor. If you emotionally hurt, you should also reach or help. There are some in taking care of your mind. And remember, you are not alone because you alone you can make problems, right? And there's always someone cares and wants to listen. For the example, you have boyfriend, you have trust people, you can share your opinion, your problem. I think this is reduce your problem. And I think